Biko, endeavor to join us on our various social media platforms. On TikTok, you can join us by searching for IgboLingua, the same thing on YouTube and on Instagram. So you go to Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok and search for IgboLingua. Anywhere you are watching this particular lesson, please endeavor to join us. Okay, follow us and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new content, a new class, you'll be able to get notified immediately and join us. We also have a channel and group on WhatsApp. So if you go to our profile, you're going to see a link that will lead you to our WhatsApp channel and our WhatsApp group. So I invite you to join those platforms so that you can consistently follow up with our lessons. Remember, drop by drop makes a mighty ocean, and it is your consistent effort towards learning Igbo language that will actually make you ọkpọkọpị or aka ochie n'ihe gbasara asụsụ Igbo in no distant time. So I encourage you to keep the momentum up, okay? Keep going, read books, watch Igbo movies, read Igbo books, join us in our classes, both the free classes and then the online courses we have. And anytime you have a question, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, okay? I look forward to seeing you at the top. Ndewo.